afternoon, and good evening. Today, this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Roasted chicken with homemade stuffing. And on the side, I'm going to make saffron rice. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Fresh chopped parsley, rosemary and thyme, sage, black pepper and salt, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, lemon. I have in this bowl red, white onion, scallion, celery, and green bell pepper, and also garlic minced up. Paprika, chicken broth. I have here cubed up Italian bread. You can use any day-old bread you choose. And also the chicken for roast. Let's make the stuffing now. I have a saute pan here. I'm going to add some olive oil. Some butter. Going to let this butter melt up. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, we're going to add the vegetables to the pan. We're going to let this saute up for about 5 minutes. Add some salt and pepper, some rosemary and thyme, some sage, some paprika, and we're going to mix everything up. And let everything saute up. Okay, it's sauteed up enough. Now we're going to add the bread. And a little chicken broth. Now let's check the stuffing. Now we're going to add the parsley. And give that a stir. Now we're going to turn it off, cover it up, and let it cool. Now I'm going to mix the butter and herb mixture. This goes under the chicken skin. I have minced garlic in this bowl here, and now I'm going to add the butter. I'm going to add sage, rosemary, and thyme. Salt and black pepper. Dried parsley. Fresh lemon juice. And now we're going to mix all of this up together. Now I have the chicken in the pan, the roasting pan, and I have the herb butter here. But first thing, I use the spoon and I push the skin back. Loosen it with the spoon. And I'm putting the herb butter under the spoon, under the breast with the spoon. Because you know, the breast on any poultry is the driest part of the meat. So this is what we're going to do now. I'm going to take some salt and black pepper and sprinkle it all over the chicken and also the inside part. I'm going to take my hand here and rub it in with it. Now we're going to take the stuffing I have here and we're going to stuff the cavity of the chicken. Now, if you have any leftover stuffing, take it out of the cavity of the chicken and put it in a container and store it in your refrigerator. Don't leave it in the chicken overnight. You don't want any bacteria forming in it. Take my gloved hand and press it all the way down in there. Make sure the chicken is stuffed well. This is what we're going to do now. I have some onions and garlic sliced up here along with some scallions. We're going to put it alongside of the chicken. We're going to pour some olive oil in this pan also. I'm going to drizzle some over the chicken. Take the lemon, squeeze it over, drop the lemon wedge into the roasting pan alongside the chicken. And we're going to sprinkle a little flour. And pour the chicken broth around it. Now it's time to pop in the oven. I have my oven set to 375 degrees. We're going to roast this chicken for an hour and 30 minutes. While the chicken is roasting in the oven, let's make the saffron rice. And these are the ingredients we will be using. Saffron, black pepper and salt, onions, scallions, butter, chicken broth, olive oil, and of course the rice. Now the first thing we're going to do is, I have a sauce pan here. We're going to add some water to the saucepan. And we're going to let the water boil. Bring it to a boil. We only need a few strands of the saffron. We're going to let it boil, let the water boil with it, and then turn it off and let it steep for 5 minutes. I have a cast iron pot here, and we're going to add some olive oil to it. And the butter. To the butter, we're going to add diced onions and scallions. We're going to saute this up. Then we're going to add some salt and black pepper. Now that the onions and scallions have sauteed up enough, we're going to add the rice. And you must wash the rice because you want some of the starch to come out. Now we're going to add the saffron here that I had steeping. And the chicken broth. Stir everything up. We're going to bring it to a boil again. And after it comes to a boil, I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Well, the rice has come to a boil now. And we're going to turn it down and cover it up. The chicken is ready. And now it's time to serve it up. Here you have it. Roasted chicken with homemade stuffing and saffron rice. Enjoy. See? Another Sunday dinner. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Don't forget to hit that like button.